Hi there, Chris here, and welcome back. This is a follow-up video to the video where I showed you how to make a soakaway out of a milk crate. And thank you. There's been a lot of comments, and a lot of people have asked how it worked. So a quick video here just to have a look. Carl also, he replied saying that the channel drain that I put in is better for sort of a hard landscaping, so at the bottom of a driveway, and suggested using a French drain instead. So that's certainly something that might be worth looking at if you're going to do this yourself. And I'll try and put some links in, and might actually do it myself. But the reason being that because there's no silt trap in this, that his suggestion was that because you'll get mud that runs off into the channel drain, and then ultimately they'll end up in the soakaway. So thanks for the comment, and yeah, it's a good point. Anyway, so what I've done is I've bought a Depth Tech inspection camera. So this was 40 quid or so off Amazon, and what you get is a little battery pack and a long lead with a camera at the end of it. So if I turn it on, and you can, it's got some LEDs, 6 LEDs at the front, and somewhere on here you can sort of turn the light up and down. So I'm going to basically use this to go down through the channel drain and into the soakaway and see what it looks like. So it's been raining quite a bit here. I'll have a look at it now, sort of dryish, and then I'll have another look when it's raining, and we'll see what's down there, apart from, I imagine, a lot of slugs. So yeah, let's have a look. So this is feeding the camera down through the drain, and then what you can see here is just coming into the crate. So there's two crates on top of each other. This is the top crate. You can see it's pretty clean in there, a few slugs. You can see the wall of the cover I put over it. So it looks pretty clean, and now this is going down into the bottom crate, so through the floor, and as you can see, a little bit of sediment, but the red is the bottom of the crate, so it's very, very thin layer. And then that's the back up to the top one. It's quite hard to control and get it angled down, but if we have a look at the bottom, there's not really any standing water. There's a bit of sediment, but very little. I mean, it's literally just a couple of mil there. So the camera worked pretty well. It's a little bit hard to twist it because it's got sort of a wire inside. You kind of twist it the other way around is quite hard. I will do another video if I can when it's raining, but I think I need a weight on the end of it so it drops down, because there's two crates, so it's getting down past that second crate. But I think basically there is some silt in the bottom, but about probably that much. So you know, it's pretty much empty. There's no standing water to speak of, and just a small layer of silt. So I would say it's successful so far. And there's been a lot of rain over the last, so it's January now, so in England the last month or so there's been tons and tons of rain. I will try and get a video of when it's pouring, but overall whatever the rain's in there is soaking away, and you know, the proof is in the pudding, in the fact that I'm not getting the pools of standing water that I was getting previously. So all good. I would say crack on, and maybe think about, instead of doing that drain channel that I did, have a look at maybe putting a French drain in instead, to avoid any silt going in there. And actually it might drain, I guess it will drain from the soil probably better than having to go into a drain channel. So yeah, I may do that. I may replace the drain channel with a French drain at some point if I can be bothered. Thank you, bye. Please like and subscribe and check back for more videos. Thanks, bye.